Welcome to the Comm Systems channel, your trusted source for expert insights on communication networks, security systems, and fiber optic cabling. In today's video, we're exploring an essential topic for modern businesses: secure remote access for high-bandwidth applications and how it protects organizations from unauthorized access and data interception. In our increasingly connected world, remote access has become a daily necessity. From IT administrators managing data centers to employees working from home, businesses rely on high-bandwidth applications like video conferencing, cloud computing, and virtual desktops. However, this convenience comes with a risk. Unauthorized access and data interception are growing threats that can disrupt operations and compromise sensitive information. That's why secure remote access solutions are critical. At Comm Systems, we design and implement multi-layered security systems that combine encryption, authentication, and access control to keep your network safe no matter where your users connect from. Through technologies like virtual private networks, VPNs, Zero Trust Network Access, ZTNA, and multi-factor authentication, MFA, we ensure that only authorized users gain entry to your systems, and that all transmitted data remains encrypted and confidential. VPNs create encrypted tunnels between users and your corporate network, protecting sensitive data such as client information, financial records, and operational commands from interception during transmission. Meanwhile, ZTNA frameworks go a step further by verifying every access attempt, whether it comes from inside or outside your organization, effectively eliminating the traditional trust by location approach. These layers of protection work together to maintain network integrity, service availability, and data privacy across high-bandwidth environments. Comm Systems integrates these solutions with high-speed fiber optic cabling and enterprise-grade firewalls, ensuring that your remote connections not only remain secure but also perform at peak efficiency. Our designs prioritize low latency, high throughput, and continuous uptime, so your team can work safely whether they're across town or across the globe. By combining secure infrastructure, intelligent monitoring, and strong authentication protocols, we help businesses build resilient communication networks that are both fast and safe. In the age of digital transformation, secure remote access isn't just an option, it's a necessity for protecting your data, your clients, and your reputation. Thank you for watching this episode on secure remote access for high-bandwidth applications. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights from Comm Systems, where security meets connectivity. For more information, visit www.dvcsny.com or call 888-501-5885.